Okay, so what's your names?
Hi, I'm April and this is Gary and we're from Lexington, Kentucky.
Okay, and what are you here for? What particular skills are you looking to learn?
More cue control, ball control, knowing what the cue ball is actually going to do after impact and how it affects the game, and just more overall control of my game, just improving it better. And then
I'm going to work on improving my cut shots and banks and ball control.
So you're in the middle of day 2, and you still have some more aiming systems to go. But so far, thinking back of the first video you guys did, as far as the different things that you wanted to learn, were you able to learn the things that you wanted to learn in this course?
yes, I wanted to learn more cue ball control, which I have learned. I actually learned a little bit about my form and correcting my form that I didn't plan on actually learning that I've already learned. So it kind of surprised me. I've learned more than I expected.
Okay.
I've also learned a lot of things that once we get back home that are going to be easier for us to continue to practice to reinforce the things that we worked on this weekend to continue my progression.
Okay, is there anything that you would like feedback as far as something they can improve on their process?
I think it would be better to go back to the 3 days. I think to spread it out more would be better. There's a lot to absorb in 2 days.
2 days, okay.
It overwhelms you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add as far as just anything, any kind of comments regarding the instructors, the course, anything?
No, the course was well worth it.
It's a lot of information.
We were on the fence about it for a while, but it was well worth it. I've enjoyed it and I've learned more than I planned. So.
Awesome. Okay. All right. Thank you.